Hello everyone. Today we will learn metal's name. So, let's begin. Gold, sona. Silver, chandi. Copper, tamba. Brass, petal. Zinc, jasta. Lead, sisa. Iron, loha. Steel, ispat. Bell metal, kansa. Tin, ranga. Platinum, platinum. Aluminium, aluminium. Bronze, kansya. Sulfur, gandhak. Cast iron, kacha loha. Mercury, para. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Take care.